Hi, I'm Kiran from Bangalore. I came here to service my laptop. I'm using a Dell laptop Latitude 1. So the screen got damaged and I came here and they supported me well and very fast service, and it is very neat and perfect job, and I'm satisfied, 100% satisfied, and I'll be referring to my office as well, so that they will ensure that they will be getting office laptops also for servicing here. So that I appreciate the people and staff, very cooperative and very polite and very organized way they are billing everything done, and it's very what do you say, this very normal price. There is no high budget, it's a normal one. I appreciate everybody, and yes, keep going.